Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
This Indonesian taxi is on the road to nowhere. The focus of this lesson is the use of
Bisa. Tidak bisa pergi ke sana.
I can't go there.
Bisa.
To be able to is a versatile verb in Indonesian, and it can be used in a fashion similar to that of the English can as an auxiliary verb. However, it can also stand as a verb in its own right, given that the action it modifies has already been mentioned or is implied by surrounding context. For example,
Bisa pergi ke hotel?
can you go to the hotel?
Bisa ke hotel?
Can you go to the hotel? Shopping in Yogya,
Pasar Beringharjo,
Barangharjo Market, and
Kota Gede.
are two interesting sites for the shopper in the Yogya area.
Pasar Beringharjo
Is one of the biggest markets in Yogyakarta, and one of its remarkable features is the bird market, where people buy songbirds. Songbirds are extremely important in Javanese culture, since they comprise one of the material attributes of a Javanese man. The others are a house, a wife, a horse/vehicle, and a carries dagger. Kota Gede, on the other hand, is a neighborhood on the outskirts of Yogya known for its silverworking.
Aneh.
To be strange.
Pasar.
Traditional market.
Tidak.
No.
Bisa.
Can, be able to.
Putus.
To be split, to be broken up.
Terlalu.
Too.
Jauh.
Far.
Orang itu aneh sekali.
That person is very strange.
Dia mau ke pasar.
He wants to go to the market.
Sekarang orang cenderung berbelanja di supermarket dibandingkan pasar.
Nowadays people tend to shop at the supermarket rather than the traditional market.
Tidak bisa ke sekolah.
I can't go to school.
Bisa makan sambal?
Can you eat chili sauce?
Jalannya putus.
The road is broken up.
Mangga ini terlalu mahal.
This mango is too expensive.
Kopernya terlalu berat untuk dibawa.
Her suitcase was much too heavy to carry.
Rumah saya jauh dari pasar.
My house is far from the market.
Saying no. Perhaps because of the large number of different languages found across present-day Indonesia, there are plenty of regional variations that can be found in the local spoken varieties of Indonesian. One of the most surprising facets of this variation has to be the number of ways that the word no can be expressed. Much of the variation is based on regional preference. We will talk about some of these, including
Tak, ndak, enggak,
examples.
tak bisa.
Not as informal as,
Ndak, enggak,
but still informal,
ndak bisa.
mostly in Bali, I can't do it.
Ndak bisa.
Widespread, I can't do it.
Taksi, taksi.
Taxi, taxi.
Mau kemana?
Where are you going?
Mau ke Pasar Beringharjo.
I want to go to Barangharjo Market.
Ndak bisa pergi ke sana.
I can't go there.
Kenapa tidak?
Why not?
Jalannya putus.
The road is broken up.
Bisa ke Kota Gede?
Can you go to Kota Gede?
Ndak bisa, terlalu jauh.
I can't. It's too far.
Bisa pergi kemana?
Where can you go?
Bisa ke Keraton.
I can go to the Keraton.
Sudah pernah ke sana, maaf, terima kasih.
I've already been there. Sorry, no thanks.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.